Hi friends, I'm Sam Chankit from Sri Lanka. Welcome to my channel High Tech Solver. In this video, I will be showing 5 tips of Zoom meetings, and it will be useful in your future meetings. And the download link will be in the description. Also, guys, you have to guess and comment down below that what type of video that I'm going to upload next after this video. And I have almost finished that. I have to do only the shootings of the video, and I will tell the name of the winner, so you have to comment quickly. So without talking too much, let's get into our video. So guys, now you can see my screen, and also I have joined a Zoom meeting with another device. First, I'm going to talk about how to pin a related participant to your screen, and so you can move the cursor to these 3 dots, and you can click this pin option, and the related participant will be pinned to your screen. And also you can pin in the participant box by clicking this more option and clicking this pin button, and then also the related participant will be pinned to your screen. I'm going to talk how to make another participant host. So move the cursor to the participant that you want to make host, and right click, and you can see some options here. You can remove the pin also, and you can click this make host, and this dialog box will be appeared, and it says, do you want to change the host to High Tech Institute? And if you click yes, now you can see High Tech Institute is the host now, and you can see the options here was disabled to you. Now also you can host and make host another participant by going to this participant box and clicking this more option. Here also you can see the options, and you can click this make host, and this dialog box will again appear, and if you click yes, you can make the other participant host. So guys, now I will show you how to share your screen to other participants. You have to click the share screen button, and this dialog box will appear, and you can see I have opened some tabs in my lap, and if you click one of these, and if you want to share the sound with your screen, you can click the share sound, and you can if you want to optimize this for a video clip, you can tick this, and you can press Ctrl to select multiple windows to share, and you can click this share. Screen is sharing to your participant now, and you can see the options here. Participant box, you can open that, and also you can create a new share, or you can pause the share, or you can annotate in the screen like this in the Canva website. And if you click this more button, you can see there are a lot of options here, and you can stop share by clicking this button. So you will be returning to the Zoom main window. You can click this advanced and files. You can share files from Microsoft SharePoint, Box, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox. And when you click this advanced, you can get a PowerPoint presentation as your virtual background, and you can share your portion of screen, or only the computer audio, or a video, or content from the second camera. So if you share the Microsoft whiteboard, and this is the Microsoft whiteboard, you can draw anything here. There are some draw tools here. You can add rectangles, and you can add arrows, and you can click select, and you can select all of these, and like resize it like this. You can add text here like this, and you can add stamps like this, arrows and hearts, and check marks like this, and you can spotlight like pointing something in the whiteboard, and you can erase this all, and you can format the color. So I will choose black, and you can draw here like this, and you can undo this all, and you can redo, and you can so you can see I'm drawing from the other device, you can see, and you can if you click this clear, there are some 3 options, and you can clear viewers drawing, clear my your drawing, and clear all drawings. When you click this clear all drawings, all the drawings will be cleared. When you click this clear my drawing, only your drawing will be clear. And when you click clear viewers drawing, then the other participant drawings will be clear. And also you can save this as a PNG file. So now I'm going to stop share. Now I will show you how to rename yourself. To do that, click this participant box and open it, and you have to click this more option and click this rename, and you can rename yourself. And I will rename as my name like this. Okay, and also you can rename other participant. If you are the host like this, I will rename this participant as John as an example. Like this, yeah, you can rename. So now I will show you how to change your profile picture. And for that, you have to open the participant box, and you have to click this more option, and you can click this edit profile picture, and you can zoom it. So you can zoom the picture. You can move this picture with the move tool, and you can change this picture, and it opens the Windows file picker. And I will choose a file now. Now I can zoom this and adjust this part. Okay, and you have to click this save. As you can see, the profile pic is Iron Man now. And also there is another method. You can change this profile pic. You have to click this shield and this gear, and this dialog box will be appeared with the settings dialog box, and you have to click this profile option, and you have to click this profile picture, and you can zoom this, and you can change the picture, and it opens the Windows file picker like this. You can change it, and you have to wait few minutes till it update, and you can see the profile pic is changed again. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell, and you can get latest videos updates from my channel. And please like this video and share this to who's in need, and comment below. Bye till next time.